Hey everybody, welcome back to ogresspeedshop. So we got to do some stuff to the Mustang, and the main thing being, we got to get rid of these blackened out headlights because we live out in the middle of Oklahoma, and we drove back from Denny's the other day, and it was dark, and I couldn't see 2 feet in front of me with these things, even with the high beams on. So I ordered some new ones from Amazon that are clear, so these should be a lot better, and supposedly they already have LED lights in it, so there should be, that's one less thing I got to worry about. But this will definitely be a lot brighter than what those things put out. So that's what we're doing. I already started. I took this cover piece off, and this wasn't an accident. It hit a deer. So there's a few things that are definitely standing out. The more I take off, the more I look at. This bumper over here, it didn't fit up to this, so I got to check that and see what I got to do to fit that. But right now, I'm just going to put it up on the ramps because I got to take the whole bumper off to make it work. So let's get into it. That was from the transmission fluid I got all over when I was working the truck, or what? Until I get the jack underneath it. Never had a problem with those things slipping like that. I blame Project Farm because he did a test on them. I said, I never had that problem with mine. All right. That was fun. Well, I got that up now. It's a little more drama than I wanted today, but I've never had those slip like that. I've had these ramps for well over 20 years, probably closer to 30 years. And those are the original Rhino ramps, and never had them slip out from underneath me like that. I did have these under the truck when I did the transmission or the flex plate last week, and I did get some fluid underneath it, so maybe that's the reason why. So I don't know, maybe hopefully it didn't soak into it and ruin it completely. But yeah, now we got it up there. We got to get the rest of the bumpers, fasteners out from underneath it, and then remove the bumper so we can get these headlights out, because I was hoping they would come out somewhat easy, but of course not. The mounting, there's a mount down here, I think, that actually holds it in. So we got to do that. Alright, that should just pop it off now, I think. There's more fasteners. There we go. Slide markers, unplug. Just pop this side out. Off. That wasn't even plugged in. Oh, what else is down there? Oh, the part that I just reconnected last time I was underneath here. All right, now we have access to the bottom board. There we go. Okay, so it does have an LED bulb on there. So you just twist out just like the other one did. Yep. And there you have it. So that just goes down inside there and twists. Oh, really? They use too sticky of a sticker. All right, let's see the difference. That's a huge difference. So that's the black light. That's the clear. Look at the difference on the wall. See how bright that side is compared to this side? So it definitely made a big difference. Let's see what high beams do for us. Let me move the box out of the way. Well, that was high beam. Okay, so there's high, there's low. I didn't try to see with that low beam over there. I know it's probably gonna come out on camera, but definitely a big difference. All right, so it's definitely a noticeable difference. And we're gonna change it out here and do the second one here, get this one out. You see the difference just in the running light. I don't know why those running lights are on. Well, the second one was fun. So I found the deer damage. It's mostly this light housing around here. Definitely noticing some high points in the core support as well. I got it in there. I had to re-tap these bolts down here. I don't know why, because they came out of there. And as I was trying to align this, because this bolt right here, because of the deer damage, was pushed back almost an inch. And I had that one attached. I went to go pull this down to align this one, and it snapped that off. So brand new headlight buckets, already broken. And I found the damage that I need to go in and do some better body work on to get it pulled back to where it's supposed to be. And but it's going to work for now. I can get the bumper back on there. But the bumper's got to go back on. It's pretty much ready to go back on. Everything's just out of whack on this corner. He was honest about it. He told us about the deer. And it didn't look bad at the time, and I couldn't see the damage from the top. But it definitely came out when I pulled this headlight bucket off. But what you gonna do? We still got it for a good deal. It runs great, so, and my wife is happy with it. All right, we got it all back together. Kind of a pain in the butt because, like I said, with the deer damage, there's some broken pieces that, you know, you have to kind of play with to get to go in. Definitely some alignment issues on this fender. But we'll get it all straightened out at some point in time. And I want to take it in and have it cleaned up too, because I'm no detailer. If you haven't been, you know, obviously the cars that I drive, but I like my wife to have a nice shiny car. So we're gonna have somebody else do that, see if we can bring the paint back, because it's just got scratches in it. Hoping it can be buffed out just to clean it up and make it look pretty, and put some ceramic coat on it or something to help protect it and make it last a little longer. That's pretty much it. Got new headlights and they're clear now, so we'll be able to see a lot better at night, I hope. I'll test it out tonight just to be sure. Finished up putting the new headlights on the Mustang. Guess I'll take it for a drive at night. I'm not going to film that because you can't see nothing at night. Unless I take my headlight lamp on. But anyways, that was a pain in the butt. Definitely got to do some body work afterwards, or someday. But we got it done. We got new headlights and we should be able to see a lot better at night. So if you like this video, give it a like down there. Leave me a comment. Let me know what I can do better. And subscribe while you're at it. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.